12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 12 p.m. Siren tests were ready. Oh, yep, here we go. I hope Ezra will hear it at the school. That was super quietly. I hear one over there and one over there. That's why they activate. Anyways. Alright. This is super quietly. This is quietly right here because we have a activate test. Emergency imagining test the siren, you know means? Yep. Here's some sirens over there, dude. I can't really see the siren. I don't want to get flood or a little bit like tornado watch or something. But anyways, subscribe for channel. I'm gonna set the YouTube channel. Anyways, bye.